Today I'm going to teach you how to ride a skateboard. This is the tail and the nose, because when you ride a skateboard, you want to go like that. So where you're supposed to put your feet on is on the tail, but do not put it on here, because you cannot control because you can't turn, right? So you have to put your foot on the tail all the way to the very edge. But do not put your feet on the nose. Put your feet on this grill right here, guys. So in the first place, put your feet off the skateboard and put your foot on the skateboard like this way. Then after that, put that feet on the tail, and then you can control to go faster. Right? That's how you do it. Don't do it faster, do it slowly by slowly. And then you can do it more better when you go faster. Right? Now let's try it on the penny board because we did it already here. It's the exact same as this one, okay? See, it's so easy. You remember to balance on these two skateboards. Slowly by slowly, then you'll know how to go faster on the skateboard. And you'll know how to do tic-tac-toe on the skateboard. And you know how to turn. Like how tic-tac works. Tic-tac-toe. This is how tic-tac-toe works. See, that's how you do it. You need to do left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. But do it slowly by slowly. And then after that, you can do it more faster because you learn